Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make a double-line header in Word. We start by opening Word and entering the Insert menu. Here we click on Header and then on Edit Header. After this, we go to the Start menu. Here we go to the Borders icon and display its options to enter the borders and shading option. After that, in this window, we select the box value. Here we will choose the double line style and also select a color and width for our double line. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. In the preview part, we are going to leave only the lower area marked so that the line is not shown on other edges. Finally, we apply the changes with OK, and we will see our double line in the header. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.